immerse yourself in a realm where contemporary elegance meets the heartbeat of America. Join us on a journey through 8 mesmerizing living room designs that grace the homes of Los Angeles. The very essence of the environment is captured in every detail, from the eco-friendly furnishings to the natural decor elements that breathe life into the room. Subscribe, and share your thoughts as we dive into the world of contemporary American elegance. Picture yourself sinking into plush sofas that invite relaxation, while trendy coffee tables serve as functional pieces of art. The white walls provide a canvas for the imagination, adorned with eye-catching wall art that sparks conversation and reflection. Lighting fixtures cast a spell, dancing in harmony with the room's ambiance. Modernity and tradition is at the heart of each design, echoing the spirit of America's diverse culture. These living rooms transcend mere aesthetics. They evoke emotions, memories, and a sense of belonging.